In this video we're going to create a new project, case and task for a regular service for one of our clients. To create the project, first of all we can search for our client, and today we're going to look for Elaine Clark. Now this can occur if you've just entered in a client's record and saved it, and you'll view their client record here. So from here we'll go to our shortcut page right here. We'll scroll down to project. You can see our project form has generated. Our client has been associated to this project. We click on the asset. Client's details are here. If they're not there, you can create a new asset, put in the details of the pool, the surface, the equipment that's used in it, filters, etc. But we have got the asset record on file, so let's associate that asset to our customer in the project. Our project type is going to be our service type and the frequency of our service. So for example, let's say that we're going to do our once a month regular maintenance. Let's say it's just in line with our current promotion for the 6 months maintenance, get the 6th one free. So we go down to our project dates. We can type in our date or we can select our calendar, and in this instance I'm going to select the project start date on Monday the 12th of February. Our end date is going to be 6 months after that date, and you can choose any date here. Let's say it's going to be on the 7th of August. We need to put a program start time. So let's say 3 p.m. we're going to complete this service, and we will have that done by 4 p.m. So we can select 3 p.m. and 4 p.m. We choose whether it's a casual or a regular. Obviously this one is a regular service. You can see here will be our cases. So these will be our services that we're going to complete. And you can see there that the date's already generated. To create the cases, we click on Save. See that it's pending processes. Nothing's come up in a case yet, but if we click our refresh button on our computer, we've got one generated there, and the remaining are to be generated as well. So while we're waiting for those to be generated, we'll go into our first case, and we're going to create our task. Now in some circumstances, depending on the service type that you do, tasks will automatically be created for you. In this case we need to create a task, so we scroll down to the bottom, go to our communication tab, and we select new task. So we can see here all our client details, our asset details and our project details are already defaulted. We look at our task type. It's going to be clean pool. Status is medium. Hasn't started yet. We need to assign our tech to this task. So if we have a look here, I'm going to associate Stephen Moore to this task. And you can notify your technician by email. If you don't wish to do that, just untick the tick box there. We have our start date and our due date for that task. We can reserve the time. Again, we'll say that that is going to occur from 3 p.m. and that'll automatically default to 4 p.m. finish time. We scroll down. The only other thing that we need to do, if you wish, the next service skill. So this is your technician skills. If they've been preset in the employee record, they will all be there for you. Otherwise here, I'll just say pool clean. Scroll back to the top of the page and we click save. You can see here our task is now associated into our case. So this is the details that when the technician goes to the client's address based on their schedule, they will have the task details for that case to be completed. So there you have it. We've created a project for a regular service, once a month regular maintenance for Elaine Clark at that address with the asset in the details there. Thank you very much.